Okay, I wanted to show you guys my drone. So, so I got a little landing pad for it because it makes it easier for the drone to read like where it is. You see this thing, it's so cute. I need my phone. Okay, I'll use this battery because it's like, I used this earlier, but look at this thing. Look how tiny it is. It's so small. Alright, I'll put the battery in. And then you kind of unfold it. Alright. Look at this little guy. Hee hee. So cute. Anyway, okay. Alright, it's got a little gimbal on it. Pretty cool. Alright, put this here, and then I gotta hook up my phone. So my phone goes in this little controller. So it's got little toggles that kind of fold up inside. And then I just plug my iPhone. And, you know, it kind of becomes a little controller. Then there's an app that I'll open up. It's a Fly app. Just gonna turn the controller on. It's gonna read where my location is. Okay, I'm gonna go fly. So it shows where my location is. And I'm gonna make it fly a little bit slower. So look at that thing. Drunk pilot there. Pretty neat, right? This thing's really cool. Anyway, it's a pretty cool little toy. I really am enjoying it. Anyhow, I'm flying it, you know, I'm practicing flying around things and getting used to kind of being smooth, but it's got a gimbal on it, so it kind of keeps everything a little bit level. Even if you're going like this, it keeps the horizon level, so I'm really digging it. It's really cool. Oh, and I'm going for my my license, my small craft license, so that I can fly legally. So that's what I'm studying for now. Got some books and passed the first part of the test. But anyway, I got to go to the, you know, I'm taking a course and I passed the first part of the test. But anyhow, I got to go to Colombia and take the proper test. And that'll mean for 2 years I'll be legal to fly drones. So I'm kind of excited about that.